30s. North winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Friday, colder. Cloudy with a 50% chance of rain and snow. Near steady temperature in the middle 30s. North winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of snow. Lows in the middle 20s. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow. Highs in the middle 30s. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows around 18. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the middle 30s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows around 16. Monday and Monday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. Lows in the lower 20s. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. For Thursday through Tuesday, the probability for widespread hazardous weather is was a test of the warning alarm system of National Weather Service radio station KZZ-67 in Blue Rapids, Kansas. During potential or actual dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted twice each Wednesday. The first test will occur around noon and the second near 7 p.m. When there is severe weather or the threat of severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. Please have your notice of
I'm just getting scared. That's the weekly test for you guys. Another one. You can see it scrolling. Required weekly test. Okay, I thought they were doing it again. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. My new channel name would be SPC Lincoln 1056. Again, SPC Lincoln 1056. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share with friends, family members, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.